Chapter 3. Advanced Features of Word Processor. Objective. Introduction. Format Painter. Editing Tools. Subscripts and superscripts. Text effects. Headers and footers. Inserting column and column break. Inserting page break. Inserting line break. Setting margins. Setting paper orientation. Setting page size, tabs, text indentation, finding and replacing the text, watermark, borders and shading, inserting cover page, inserting shapes, smart art graphic, adding pictures, inserting word art. Introduction. Microsoft Word 2019 is a word processing software that enables the users to create text documents. Along with this, MS Word facilitates the users to add special features in the document. In order to produce a creative and professional document, the basic operations performed in a MS Word document are creating a document, moving and copying the text, changing the font size, color, style, text alignment, bold, italic, underline, and many more. In this chapter, you will learn about how to make your document a professional one by using different features embedded in MS Word 2019. This will help you to make the pages of a text document in an organized manner by adding margins, setting the paper size and orientation, applying headers and footers, etc. Format Painter. MS Word provides a tool known as Format Painter tool, which helps to copy the formatting features of text and apply the same features on the other text of that document. These formatting features include font type, style, color, borders and shading, etc. The steps to apply Format Painter tool on a text are: click on the text whose formatting features are to be copied. From the Home tab, go to Clipboard Group and select the Format Painter option. You will observe that the pointer will change its shape to a brush. Go to the text where you want to apply the same features, drag and drop the mouse pointer on the text. The formatting will be applied to the selected text. Editing Tools. Editing tools in Word are the features and functions that allow you to modify and refine your document's content and appearance. They help you correct errors, enhance readability, and create professional-looking documents. Given below are some examples of editing tasks: correcting typos and grammatical errors, changing font styles and sizes for emphasis, adding images or tables, creating headings and subheadings, adjusting page layout for different paper sizes, tracking changes made by multiple users. Common editing tools: basic editing, cut, copy, paste, undo, redo, find and replace. Formatting, font styles, sizes, colors, alignment, spacing, indentation, bullet points, numbering, proofing, spell check, grammar check, thesaurus, synonyms, reviewing, track changes, comments, suggestions, layout, page setup, margins, columns, headers, footers. Shortcut, Ctrl+D, is used to open the font dialog box. Subscripts and superscripts. These two options, that is subscript and superscript in MS Word, enables the user to write the text in a different form. The subscript option helps to write the text slightly below the baseline with the other type text. On the other hand, the superscript option places the selected text slightly above the baseline with the other text. Follow the steps below to do the same. Open a Word document and type H2O. Select the letter 2 from the text. Click on the Home tab. Click on the dialog box Launcher button. Under the Effects section, mark the Check on Subscript option and click on OK button. You will see that your text will be shown as H2O. Similarly, repeat the same steps for superscript. Type A square plus B square and select letter 2. Now, click on Superscript option and you will get your result as A square plus B square. Text effects. Text effect is used to apply the effects to the text to give it a special look. By applying shadow to a text in a Word document, the text will appear with a different animated look and seems creative as well. Given below are the steps to apply shadow effect to a text. Select the text on which you want to apply the shadow effect. Click on the Home tab. Go to the Font group and click on the Text Effects and Typography button. Select the Shadow option and click on the desired shadow option. You will observe the text with a shadow effect. Headers and footers. In MS Word, you can add text to the top and bottom of each page of the document with the help of header and footer option available there. You can add page numbers, dates, chapter numbers, headings, your name or any other relevant information of your choice. Follow the steps below to apply header and footer in a document. Click on Insert tab. Go to Header and Footer group. Click on Header option. A drop-down menu will appear. Select Edit Header option. Take code. You will see that a header and a footer box with dotted lines will appear at the top and bottom of each page of the document. Now add the information of your choice in both the header chapter number and date and footer box page number. After completing it, click on Close Header and Footer button. You will observe that the added information will be seen on each page of the document. Tech tip: one can add a cover page to his document, inserting column and column break. In MS Word, the column tool helps you to divide the page vertically into 2 or more columns in such a way that the text you type will complete its first column and move to the second column. This feature is also called as newspaper columns and are used frequently in newspapers, magazines, etc. The document looks neat and clean and professional as well. Using column button. Below are the steps to insert columns in a page. Select the text and click on the Layout tab. Go to the Columns option under Page Setup group and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear showing the types of the columns selection appropriate option. Click on More Columns options. If you want to customize the columns, a columns dialog box will appear where you can give the desired settings and click on OK button. Inserting column breaks. Column breaks are used to add a break in the columns defined in the page of a Word document. As you have added columns in the page but still your text is not in an organized manner, you can add column break in that area and a new column will be started from that point. Below are the steps to insert column break in a page. Place the cursor before the text where you want to add a column break. Click on the Insert Page and Section Break option, and then on Column option from the drop-down list. You will see that the text will start from the next column in the page. Inserting page break. Here are the steps to insert a page break. in a document. Click on the text where you want to add a page break. Go to Layout tab and click on Insert Page and Section Break option. You will see that a page will change at the point where the page break is inserted. Tech tip: Portrait is the default orientation of a document in MS Word. Inserting line break. One can insert a line break anywhere in the document by pressing an Enter key from the keyboard. When the Enter key is pressed, the rest of the text is moved to the next line in the document. In order to check a line break in a document, click on Show/Hide option under Paragraph Group in the Home tab. Setting margins. In MS Word, margins play an important role while creating a document. Margins are the spaces left from the edges of each side of the page in a document. You can keep an amount of space as a margin from all four sides, that is, top, bottom, left and right. The default margin that an MS Word provides for top and bottom is 1, and left and right is 1. This helps to view the text written in the document in a well-organized manner and a proper sequence. There are two methods with which we can set the margins of a page. Using ruler bars. While working in MS Word, you have observed some rulers on all the four sides of a page. To set the margins for top and bottom side, go to the margin boundary of the vertical ruler. When the shape of the pointer changes to a double-headed arrow, drag the boundary as per your need. You will see the affected change in the page. Similarly, for changing the left or right margins, go to the margin boundary of the horizontal ruler. Drag the margin boundary according to your requirement when the pointer changes its shape to double-headed arrow. Observe the change in the margins of the document. Using Layout tab. 1. Go to the Layout tab and click on the Margins option in the Page Setup group. A drop-down list will appear including the different margins that can be applied on a page of a document. 2. Choose an appropriate option for your document. 3. You can set the margins on your own with the help of Custom Margins option given in the drop-down list. 4. Click on that option and the Page Setup dialog box will be displayed on the screen. 5. Under the Margins tab, give the value for each margin, left, right, top and bottom in the space provided. 6. To apply the changes made to the whole document, go to the Apply to drop-down list and choose the option Whole Document. Click on OK button. Setting paper orientation. In MS Word, the term paper orientation defines the direction in which the text is to be typed or printed. This means a user can print the text in both ways, that is lengthwise and widthwise. The default orientation in MS Word is portrait lengthwise. The other type of orientation is landscape widthwise. Follow the steps below to change the orientation of a page in MS Word. 1. Go to Layout tab and click on Orientation option under Page Setup group. 2. Select the desired option, Landscape, from the list and view the change made in the document. Setting page size. There are various types of paper size available in MS Word, with which a user can avail them while working in a MS Word document. The term paper size means what type of paper is used when a user types some text on it or when a user wants to take a print of a document. The user has to define this property before printing the document. Below are the steps to set a paper size in MS Word. 1. Click on the Layout tab and go to the Size option under Page Setup group. You will see a number of paper sizes displayed in the list, and the current paper size is selected by default. 2. You can click on the size of your choice, and it will be reflected in the document. 3. Another way is to click on More Paper Sizes option. The Page Setup dialog box will appear on the screen. 4. Select the desired option from the list and click on the OK button. Observe the change in the document. Tabs in MS Word. In MS Word, tabs are the paragraph formatting features which are used to align the text. Word inserts a tab character and moves the insertion point to the tab setting called as tab stop. Tabs are used to distribute the text evenly between the left and right margins. In MS Word, a default tab is set to every half inch. These tabs are shown at the bottom of the horizontal ruler by tiny tick marks. When a tab key is pressed, the cursor automatically moves to the next tab and text is typed from that point. Follow the steps below to set a tab stop in MS Word. 1. Click on the dialog box launcher button in the paragraph group under Layout tab. The paragraph dialog box will appear. 2. Click on the Tabs button located at the bottom left corner of the dialog box. 3. The Tabs dialog box will be displayed on the screen. In the Tab Stop Position text box, give a value for the tab position and click on the OK button. 4. Now press the Tab key and the cursor will move accordingly to the defined value. Text indentation. Indentation is a term used in MS Word that defines the space between the margins and the text typed in the document. This feature is applied on the first line of a paragraph or on the entire paragraph. You can apply indentation on both the sides, that is left or right margin of the page. This basically helps in viewing the document in an organized way. Below are the steps to indent the text in MS Word. Select the text on which you want to apply indentation. 2. Click on the Increase Indent button in the Home tab under the paragraph group. 3. The selected text will be moved to some point from the left margin. 4. Similarly, go for the Decrease Indent in the document and observe the changes. Indentation. Finding and replacing the text. Finding the text. In MS Word, a user can search a word or phrase in a document with the help of the Find option. The searched word can also be changed with another word using a tool known as Replace option. These options are very helpful while working in a document with multiple pages. To find and replace a text in MS Word, follow the steps below. Click on the Home tab. Go to the Editing group and select Find option. You will see a navigation pane on the left side of the screen. Type the word that you want to search in the document in the Search Document text box. You will get the result in the navigation pane with the highlighted words. Another way to find a word in the document is to click on Advanced Find option. From the drop-down menu of Find option, the Find option, the Find and Replace dialog box opens. Type the word to be searched in the Find What text box. Click on the Find Next button. You will observe that the pointer will move to the next occurrence of the searched word, with the text highlighted. When the search is finished, MS Word will display a message. We're finished searching the document. Click on OK button. You can find the text with multiple search criteria by clicking on More button in dialog box. Factoid. Ctrl plus F is used to find the text in MS Word. Replacing the text. To replace a text with another text, follow the steps below. Click on the Home tab. Go to the Editing group and select Replace option. The Find and Replace dialog box opens. Type the text to be searched in the Find What text box, and the new word that is to be replaced with the older one in the Replace with text box. Click on the Replace or Replace All button according to your requirement. Shortcut Ctrl plus H is used to replace the text in MS Word. Click on OK button when MS Word finishes the searching and replacement of the text. You have noticed 4 buttons in the dialog box. Replace. When you click on this button, the current searched text is replaced with the new one. Replace All. On clicking this button, MS Word replaces all the searched text with the new one at that same time. Find Next. This button will highlight the next occurrence of the text when found. Cancel. This will close the Find and Replace dialog box. Finding and replacing the text. Finding the text in MS Word. A user can search a word or phrase in a document with the help of the Find option. The searched word can also be changed with another word using a tool known as Replace option. These options are very helpful while working in a document with multiple pages. To find and replace a text in MS Word, follow the steps below. Click on the Home tab. Go to the Editing group and select Find option. You will see a navigation pane on the left side of the screen. Type the word that you want to search in the document in the Search Document text box. You will get the result in the navigation pane with the highlighted words. Another way to find a word in the document is to click on Advanced Find option. From the drop-down menu of Find option, the Find option, the Find and Replace dialog box opens. Type the word to be searched in the Find What text box. Click on the Find Next button. You will observe that the pointer will move to the next occurrence of the searched word, with the text highlighted. When the search is finished, MS Word will display a message. We're finished searching the document. Click on OK button. You can find the text with multiple search criteria by clicking on More button in dialog box. Factoid. Ctrl plus F is used to find the text in MS Word. Replacing the text. To replace a text with another text, follow the steps below. Click on the Home tab. Go to the Editing group and select Replace option. The Find and Replace dialog box opens. Type the text to be searched in the Find What text box, and the new word that is to be replaced with the older one in the Replace with text box. Click on the Replace or Replace All button according to your requirement. Shortcut Ctrl plus H is used to replace the text in MS Word. Click on OK button when MS Word finishes the searching and replacement of the text. You have noticed 4 buttons in the dialog box. Replace. When you click on this button, the current searched text is replaced with the new one. Replace All. On clicking this button, MS Word replaces all the searched text with the new one at that same time. Find Next. This button will highlight the next occurrence of the text when found. Cancel. This will close the Find and Replace dialog box. Watermark in MS Word. A watermark is defined as the low-contrast image that appears on a page underneath the overlying text. This watermark is a dim or faded shade and is present on each page of the document. MS Word includes a variety of watermarks which a user can use in his project. A user can also create their own watermark and customize them according to the requirements. Open the document in which you want to insert a text watermark. Go to Design tab and click on the arrow below the watermark option. Click on the Custom Watermark option, and the Printed Watermark dialog box appears. Mark a check on the Text Watermark radio button and the related option will get highlighted. Select the language from the Language drop-down menu and choose the appropriate font size, style, color and layout of the text from the respective menus. Now type the text in text box that you want as a watermark in the text. Click on the Apply button to preview the watermark on the page. If it is appropriate according to your needs, then click on OK button and the dialog box will be closed. Adding a picture watermark, click on the Design tab and then on the Watermark option arrow below. Click on the Custom Watermark option. Select the Picture Watermark option from the dialog box opened on the screen. Uncheck the Washout checkbox. Click on the Select Picture button. Click on the option from a file. A new dialog box Insert Picture will appear on the screen. Choose the picture of your choice and click on the OK button. Now mark a check on the Washout checkbox. The selected watermark is applied on each page of the document. Borders and shading. Adding borders and shading on each page of the document will improve the appearance of the document. There are a variety of borders and shading which a user can add to a document. Follow the steps below to do the same. Select the text around which you want to create a border. Click on the arrow next to the Borders button in the Home tab under the Paragraph group. Click on the Borders and Shading option from the drop-down menu. The Borders and Shading dialog box opens. Click on the Box option under the Settings section. Now select the line style from the Style list box. Choose a color for the border from the Color drop-down list. Select the line width from the Width section. Click on the Paragraph option from the Apply drop-down list. Click on the OK button and view the changes made in the document. Tech tip: to apply borders on a page of a document, go to Page Borders in Design tab under Page Background group. Inserting cover page. A cover page is the first page of the document in MS Word. You can add a cover page as the first page to your document with the help of MS Word 2019. These cover pages are predefined and available in the gallery of MS Word 2019. Following are the steps to add a cover page to a document. Click on the Insert tab and then on the arrow below the Pages option. Click on the Cover Page option from the list. You will see a built-in gallery of the available cover pages on the screen. Select the desired cover page from that list and the selected cover page is applied to the document. When the cover page is added to the document, type your own text by clicking on that area like titles, subtitles, etc. Inserting shapes. In MS Word, a shape is a drawing object that is used to create beautiful drawings in the document. These shapes can be used for creating diagrams while doing a project. There are various shapes that are available in MS Word, like lines, rectangles, squares, flowcharts, stars, banners, and many more. This helps in diverting the attention of the audience towards the message displayed. Follow the steps below to insert a shape in a document. Click on the Insert tab. Go to Illustrations group and select Shapes option. You will see a drop-down list including all the shapes that are available in MS Word, like lines, rectangles, basic shapes, block arrows, flowchart, etc. Go to the Stars and Banners section and click on the shape named as star, 5 points. Now drag the pointer on the working area of the document, create a star and drop the pointer there. You will observe a Format tab in accordance with the shape created in the document. Click on that tab and choose the style for the shape created. You can also add text to the shape by right-clicking on the shape. A drop-down menu will appear. Click on the Add Text option and the insertion pointer will appear in the shape. You can type the text here. Smart Art Graphic. A smart art graphic is a visual representation of the information in the Word document. It includes the use of different structured diagrams and colors, which provide specific meanings to the user. With the use of smart art features, we can explain a complex piece of information in a much simpler way. It helps in making the ordinary text into something more visually appealing. You can create an organizational chart, a decision tree, lists, processes, and many more with the help of Smart Art Graphic tool. Below are the steps to create a Smart Art graphic in MS Word. Click on Insert tab. Click on the Smart Art Graphic option. A dialog box named as Choose a Smart Art Graphic opens. Select any of the Smart Art Graphic options of your choice and click on the OK button. The selected graphics will be added in the document. Now click on the text and type the text as per your requirements. You will notice a Format tab is created according to the Smart Art graphic inserted in the document. You can change its color and appearance according to your needs. Adding pictures. There is a famous saying that a picture worth 1,000 words. This means a picture can convey an idea more quickly and effectively than a written word. Adding a picture in a document can explain the information to the users in a different and innovative manner. In MS Word, you can add the images directly from the computer and from the internet as well. This means online pictures will give you a better way to express your ideas in your projects. Adding a picture from a computer. Click on the Insert tab. Go to Illustrations group and select Pictures option. An Insert Picture dialog box opens. Browse the image from your computer and click on the Insert button. The selected picture is added to the document. You will see a Format tab related to the inserted picture in the ribbon. Change the style and appearance of the picture inserted into the document in order to make it more creative. Tech tip: you can add the pictures in a document from the external devices attached to the computer system. Adding online picture. Click on the Insert tab. Go to Illustrations group and click on Online Pictures option. An Insert Picture dialog box opens. Type the word related to the picture to be inserted in the document in the Search Bing text box. There is another way to select a picture by clicking directly on the search button. You will get a variety of categories of images. Click on the desired option and select the picture of your choice. After selecting the picture, click on the Insert button and the selected image is added to the document. Change its style and appearance from the Format tab of the related picture that is inserted in the document. Tech tip: taking a screenshot is not available in the earlier versions of MS Word. Inserting word art. In MS Word, there is another feature called as word art that is used to write the text with some special effects added to it. Word art adds color, outlines, and shadows to a regular text matter in order to give a creative look to the text in the document. Following are the steps to add a word art to the document. Go to Insert tab. Go to Text Group and select Word Art option. You will see a gallery of word art that can be inserted in a document. Choose one from it and add it to the document. A placeholder will appear with highlighted text. Your text here, click on it and write your own text. Use Format tab to change its style and appearance from the ribbon. A quick review: MS Word provides a tool known as Format Painter tool, which helps to copy the formatting features of a text and apply the same features on the other text of that document. The Subscript option helps to write the text slightly below the baseline with the other type text. The Superscript option places the selected text slightly above the baseline with the other text. In MS Word, you can add the text at the top and bottom of each page of the document, with the help of the header and footer option available there. One can insert a line break anywhere in the document by pressing an Enter key from the keyboard. The term paper orientation defines the direction in which the text is to be typed or printed. Tabs are used to distribute the text evenly between the left and right margins. Indentation is a term used in MS Word that defines the space between the margins and the text typed in the document. In MS Word, a user can search a word or a phrase in a document with the help of Find tool. The searched word can also be changed with another word using a tool known as Replace tool. A cover page is the first page of the document in MS Word. A shape is a drawing object that is used to create beautiful drawings in the document. A smart art graphic is a visual representation of the information in the Word document. A picture can convey an idea more quickly and effectively than a written word. Word art is used to write the text with some special effects.